Hello guys. Today we are going to do a brainstorming about a topic: is education is a business is nowadays. Actually, we know that nowadays education is doing like a business in everywhere across the India, because some people may got higher grades also. They are asking some colleges asking their donations, and we don't know why we need donations. In my point of view, does education is a business or not? Let me explain some points in my point of view. Especially education has become the business due to an increase in more schools and institutes which are open. The privatization of educational institutions are also helped it to become from education institutes to a business. The standard and quality of the education is decreased due to more institutes and a lack of quality teachers, and teachers are concentrating only on those who understand things by themselves, and others are left alone as in the fast moving and competing world. Especially this happens because some teachers shows some priority to some students only, because if some students is learning very well, teachers are concentrating on them, and if some students may fail in exams, teachers are left away from them. And education is nowadays education is become business because of teachers also, because teachers should concentrate on students. If some of them, if they concentrate on only some, they only become success in their future, and it is also not a problem basically. And the main problem is nowadays education institutions are concentrating only on poor students, because those who are poor, they are concentrating on poor students, because poor students cannot pay what the fees they have asked. Okay, I will convey some point of i will I will convey some points of view on my own some after someone's point of view. Banu, can you say in your point of view about is nowadays education is a business or it is, and what are the effects we face from it?
Yeah, yes, coming to the topic, regarding this topic, I would like to say that, yeah, it's true that education is nothing more than a business nowadays. Parents are also so blind on what is positive with this child future, and they even compare with the other people how they are reading and how they are moving in the future and next step. And at any cost, they are also paying lot of money for the education. How many educational institute did you see that provides the best education with the lower fee? No, we didn't see at least one throughout the India. There are government schools, but nobody wants to go there because of the quality of education. Education is a quality, but in their view. So if you want quality in education, pay, or else no. If parents are thinking in that way. Today's education system. This is the how today's education. Now, Sidhu, can you explain the few more points about this education? Can you have a scope on this?
Okay, Banu, thank you. Hi. Nowadays, educational systems, institutions making profit to provide a quality of education. Education institutes of 85% nowadays are business oriented. They try to take fees much as possible and hire the teachers very less. So this makes an impact on students. Because of this, there is lack of students are without knowledge job of their qualification. So according to me, the government should take a step to overcome this and to make order to provide the best education and knowledge based on practical classes with free of cost. Okay, Tarun, can you explain on your point of view?
Myself, Tarun. In my opinion, education is going bad in day by day. Some middle class families suffer a lot of problems paying money to the school. So according to me, education is a business cooperation still now. Ajit, can you explain your point?
Yeah, yes, Tarun. As you said, it is correct. Nowadays, the education system in our country is like a business. Which what is the quality of education before and now is different because of the institution where we have seen the private and government education system. They are saying as well as entered in this only fine for something they are taking. I will suggest the government to modify the syllabus in the education field as a take an action against them, so the education system can increase the development of our nation and can also grow to the next level. Amar, can you explain about a few more points about education?
Okay, Ajit. Education sector is become one of the legal industry for earning money nowadays because all the private institute only gives emphasis on earning money instead of quality education. If you take example, engineering colleges, there are lots of engineering colleges running in India. They give admissions to any student. Impact of this on the quality of engineer in increase large unemployment in India. Okay, Javed, can you explain few points about?
Yeah, yeah, what you said is absolutely right. And the education industry is just a business, as everyone on this planet here has come to earn money and to gain knowledge or anything, you have to invest. So it is right to take money, but without compromising on educational quality. But education also means teachers should give equal opportunity by providing them scholarship for those students who cannot afford their fees and help them to make their future bright. And mainly in India, education is treated as an industry where you can earn a lot of money. So nowadays, education is just treated as a business. Yeah. Karthik, can you explain your point of view on this?
Karthik is not on Zoom.
Hello, Karthik.
So Vamsi, can you get what this topic?
Oh, yes. Good evening, one and all. Some of the education institute made this industry a business, but yet there are many institutions which provide education as a service so that students can receive best education. For example, government colleges also provide free food, distribution of books, everything. But somewhere we are also involved in it to making education. Vamsi, can you relate this?
Yeah, again I convert in my point of as what Banu said is 100% absolute right, because poor family members think that government school their children can study in government college and government schools, because in government college Banu said that government college is not provided with quality of education. So if the family members think that some students, if they have two children, they will spend one children because of poverty, they will study one children in government college and they will join another children in private college. And the government college is not is in quality of education, the children will not grow, children will not have some knowledge and he cannot become successful person. And in one point of view, if we take example of higher studies like engineering colleges in engineering, there's a lots of colleges open nowadays. The effect of this is on quality of education and leads to increased unemployment in India. They gives admission to very low scorer candidate and they ask donate. I don't know why they ask donation to low scorer candidate, because some students may score low marks, some students may score marks in exams, but they have successful life and they have very good knowledge, but they don't keep any examination. And while in my point of view, it is very in my point of view, it is very good to keep a while any children asking admission. In my point of view, it is very good to keep any test, because in the test can know that low scorer candidate also can get pass and can he finish examination and he can get a admission. And because of this 90% of engineers remain unemployment. So guys, in my point of view, education is a business nowadays and government should take action on that. If you have any points in point of view, you can say. Anybody?
Yes, I totally agree with this. Because of private session in education sector increases businesses oriented approach more than quality, right? Thank you.
Any another person in their point of view, can you explain some more points? In your point of view, you can explain anything. It is good or bad. You can say anything about, you can say something about it. Okay guys, hope you understood well, and we did some solution to it, and we did some solution to it, because in the other's point of view also you explained some your point in your point of view, explain some more points. Okay. Hope this will hope we all hope that government will take action against this. Hope doing well. Bye guys. Let's end this meeting.
Thank you all. It's very
Bye
good.
to everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.